Guys, got a service call for, is it about a little 5-ton? It's actually a 4-ton Linux split system. Got 2 units that serve a computer room. We've been really slow, so just had a bunch of little baby calls as far as equipment is concerned, just splits and rooftops, real easy stuff. So I guess this is the 2nd time or 3rd time we're out here. Got some fuses in here, 460 power. That 3rd one right there is popped. So I heard the contactor trying to engage, and it was just trying to kick over the motors, but they were single phasing, so nothing came on. I'm gonna use a megometer, which I have, to see what's going on with these motors if we're going to ground on them. Before we hook it up to the motors individually, I'm gonna run a test on this, and we shouldn't get any resistance, because see, I've got one end to ground, and then the other one is just kind of hanging out there, not touching anything whatsoever. So it should go. Actually, it doesn't even register. It doesn't even register ground, so that's good. I've got both of them to ground, and we'll test that, see what that looks like. Let's see if I can get in the shadow a little bit. And it just registers bad immediately. So everything isolated except for the compressor. We're gonna test that circuit. Start with the A phase, and it looks like it's good. No mega ohms, good. B phase goes all the way down and out, and we're good. Alright, and finally the C phase, all the way out and good. Well above 10,000 mega ohms right there, so that's good. Real easy to work with. It tells you, real simple. If it's below 20 mega ohms, it's bad. If you're within what's that, about 30 to 100 mega ohms, that's a caution area. And if you're well above that, then you should be good to run your motors.